guys, welcome back to the A World channel. Today we're going to be playing a game called Surviv.io. We're not actually going to be playing it though. So we're going to be downloading hacks on the game. So all you have to do is go to a new tab, and you have to. So this will this website will be in the description. So you have to go to this website, and then you go to surviv.io.cheat.injector, and you go to that, and then just follow exactly what I'm doing. So now, go into the Chrome extensions, and you have to do developer mode, and you have to go down to the cheat injector Surviv.io thing, and drag it over to there. Now it should show right there, and then if you go back to Surviv.io, it should be here. Now if I play a game, let's see. So there are some stuff it does, so it automatically picks up stuff for you, and it automatically uses meds if you need it. Like if you're at full health, it won't make you use bandages or anything, or medkit. So yeah, it makes you auto pick up stuff. But yeah, it's that easy. That's all you have to do to get the Surviv.io. And then it has aimbot, and if you press escape, you can let me just move the face cam, so you can see everything over here, and you can customize it. So aim at down, I like that to be true, and then you can also have the regular settings right here. So yeah. See, I want to show you guys how great this is. Okay, so let's try to find I want to try to find someone so I can show you guys just how amazing these hacks are. Let's see. Alright. Does anyone want to be killed by me? Anyone at all? I'm trying to find someone. Well, I'll go to the supply drop and then I'll see if there's anyone. Okay, there's So, yep, these are the hacks. Ooh, there's someone. So it shows you Okay, that guy had double dualies. Okay, let's try again. Cause that was, I mean, other people also have hacks, so if you have the hacks, don't expect you to get a win every single time. Sometimes you'll run into another hacker or something, but yeah, let's just, oops, see, there's someone there. It automatically shoots them, and it aimbots them. So yeah, and then I'm very low right now. Yes. See, I just deleted all of those guys. Just get all this loot real quick. Alright, let's see. So, yep, it shows exactly where everyone is. And it's just so good, and it's so fun to have the hacks. And then, so yeah. And I can just walk around, and then all of a sudden, yep, I'll see a red line like that, and I'll just go towards the line, because that's where the people are. So, if you guys want, I may make a video about, how to work the hacks, because some of you might not know how. I'll show you how to control it all, and yeah, I'll show you how to pretty much just use Surviv.io with the hacks. Yeah, so anyway, those are the hacks in Surviv.io. And so yeah, if you want to see how to, see how to work all the different hacks, or you want to, I don't know, you just want to know more about the hacks, you can comment down below, ask me any questions. But so yeah, thanks for watching. Like the video if you enjoy, and subscribe for more amazing content. See ya!